Hey guys, Scott with No Budget Homestead, and I thought I'd give a little potato update. Okay, I think about a week or so ago I went ahead and planted the little red potatoes that I had bought, and I bought too many and they started sprouting out in the plastic bag I had in the kitchen. So after harvesting the garlic and onions, I thought I'd go ahead and plant them in here, and I'll go ahead and show you how they're doing, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, as you notice, I got this up here, this metal, kind of little metal wire frame here. It's pretty thick and everything. It was here, I think it's old shelving, and I went ahead and put it over the potatoes here, and I'll show you why. Okay, the reason why this is here, and I'll remove it for now, is I think an armadillo or something was digging here and kind of dug up one of the potatoes, and I need to cover it back. So that'll help there. But they were kind of digging in there, and I was trying to discourage them from getting in there. Okay, well, get you guys a little closer and you can see how the potatoes are starting to come in. They're doing well there. Got one there. Got a pretty big one there. A little sprouting there. And there. And there. No, look, there's one over here too. So on this side, it doesn't seem to be anything sprouting. So I'm not sure why. But, oh, I got one coming through right here too. Little bitty one. So I try and keep these watered as much as possible. They do need it today also. But I'm going to do it later this afternoon, seeing it's really hot. So I'm real happy, excuse me, that you know, some of these are doing really well. So, but that's how the potatoes are doing so far. They're not going like gangbusters, but they are doing really well. Okay, let me go ahead and set up with my clues and thoughts, okay? Well, I thought I'd move over here into the shade because it's really hot in that sun. Well, I think the potatoes are doing pretty good, and so far I'm very happy with them and everything, so I'm hoping that they'll do even better. I'm not really sure how long I need to leave them in the ground, but I assume I can leave them in there for quite a while and then just harvest them as I need them. They should just continue to grow. So, but as always, I'm not a professional gardener by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just kind of winging it, to be honest with you. But it's kind of fun to do that because I never know what I'm going to do next. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little update on the potatoes. And I think I also put an update out a little while ago on our Puh-Taters. So hope you guys enjoy those updates. We'll have more coming. So y'all be simply unbelievable. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the little bell icon so you get notified of our updates. And I can't thank you enough, guys, for hanging out with us and keeping up with us and everything. So y'all have a simply unbelievable day. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.